In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on PayPal. First, open your browser and go to the official PayPal website, then sign into your account. You can also use the PayPal mobile app if that's more convenient. Take a quick moment to make sure you're really on PayPal's site before entering your details. Look for the secure padlock in the address bar and the correct web address. This simple habit helps you avoid phishing pages and keeps your account safe. Here's the core idea. To receive money on PayPal, you just give the sender the email address that's linked to your PayPal account. That's it. They'll enter your email when they send the payment, and the money will be routed to your account. You never need to share a password or any sensitive information, only your PayPal email. Because a single typo can send funds to the wrong place or cause a failed payment, it's worth confirming that the email you share matches exactly what's on file. To double-check, click the gear icon in the upper right to open your account settings. This takes you to your profile area, where your contact details are listed. It's an easy way to confirm you're giving people the right information, and it also helps you see which email PayPal uses for important notifications. On the profile page, look for the line that shows your primary email. This is the main address associated with your account, and it's the one you should provide to anyone sending you money. If you use multiple email addresses in your daily life, make sure the one you plan to share is the one marked as primary here. Again, accuracy matters, down to every character. Once the sender completes their payment using your email, you'll receive a notification from PayPal, and the money will appear in your account. In some cases, payments may show as pending for a short time due to routine reviews or the sender's funding method. That's normal and usually resolves on its own. Fees can vary based on the type of payment, country, and how the sender funds the transfer, so check PayPal's current fee information if you're expecting frequent payments or international transfers. To recap, go to PayPal and sign in. Remember that you only need to share your PayPal-linked email to get paid, click the gear icon to verify your details, and confirm the primary email shown in your profile is the one you're giving to senders. Keep your email accurate, share it privately with the payer, and you'll be set to receive money smoothly and securely.